Good morning, America! It is now 8:20 and I better put some shade because it's so bright. Oh, my neighbor on the right already left, and I got a new neighbor here on the other side. And I'm going to Food Lion. Oh. And I got this pizza left over from I got this pizza, guys, left over. That's gonna be my lunch for today. When I get to the truck stop later on, I'm just gonna warm it up because they have truck stop has this microwave. I'm gonna walk to Food Lion for a little bit, and I'm gonna get me some. I look like crap. I didn't really comb my hair really good. I just hand comb it. I'm gonna get me some water and few fruits. And I'm gonna go deliver. I'm gonna go to Food Lion for a little bit. Right there's a Food Lion behind me. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. At kukuha ako ng tubig. You know, water. And I'm gonna go on to the customer. I got 30 more minutes to kill, guys. So I'm gonna kill it inside the I'm gonna spend it inside the grocery store and get me some few stuff that it'll be good for me. Today is Wednesday, so I got 2 more days to work, and hopefully it'll be a good day today, better than last night. I see you in a little bit. Here's the Food Lion where I parked last night, where I spent the night. And right there's my truck. I don't know. The sun is really bright this morning. There's still another truck still here. There's 3 more of us. I'm gonna go get me some few stuff. Oh, look at there's spring flowers already displayed. It's so quiet right now. It's so quiet right now here in this store. Oh, mango. I'm just gonna give me some few apples. This is their produce and vegetable section here. And I got me some strawberries. They got good papaya, looks like. And I'm gonna get me a few bananas. Going with me on the road. Hello, guys. So I got some water and fruits and 2 apples. I just grabbed some few stuff and mango. So now I'm headed to my truck, and I got my groceries still here. And I'm gonna go to the customer. Well, guys, I'm gonna get ready, and I'm gonna clock in. The sun is up, but the wind is kind of cold. So I'm gonna eat some banana for breakfast. It is now 8:46. I get my no coffee yet this morning. I have to wait till I get to the fuel stop. Then I get my coffee. For now, it's water. Okay guys, I'm gonna start.